Hello guys and welcome to this video. Now I have a GoPro Hero 11 here which seems to be suffering from the red light of doom. If you can see here, there's a red light and it doesn't seem to go away regardless of what I actually press here at all. So I press the on button, nothing actually happens, the camera doesn't come on and the red light doesn't go away. So let's try and find out a way of solving this. Now the easiest way is just to get to the actual battery door. So let's just try and remove that. And mine's being a little bit temperamental here. There we go. And just remove the battery from the actual camera. Let's just pull on this, remove the battery. So the light is now off, obviously, because I've taken the battery out. Wait a few seconds and maybe count to 10. And then we can put the battery back in again. And then just close the door. And the red light has now disappeared. So fingers crossed, all is well. We have done a camera reset and hopefully it will now switch back on again. And there we go. Like magic, the camera is now functioning as normal. I hope you find that video useful. If you do, of course, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And support the channel. Alright guys, take care and see you soon.